Hi guys, so nami sa Vietnam. Then karon pa ko nag-video. So nabilin din headphone, headset. Basta ka to siya kay nabilin ni Job. So na siya sa third floor man ata para i-check kung naaro pa dito yung headset. So, yun lang. Nag-wait kami sa muang taxi. And kay Job na makuha niya yung headset. Guys, laruhon lang na ko daan ha. Kanita na akong i-share kay personal travel requirements na ko o requirements sa akong sponsor. Based ra jud ni sa akong own experience sa immigration. So, first, mao ni ang personal travel requirements. Then, second, mao ni ang sponsor requirements.
Hello guys, we are currently here now at the Noi Bai International Airport.
Yeah.
Is it Noi Bai? I think so.
See you there.
You walk in like it's already settled. My name on your mouth, sweet and a little unsettling. You lean close, say you're better waiting. Pull me by the sleeve like my pulse is a station. Hands up, room goes hush. Just skin, just claps, time it's under the rush. You say trust, then you stop. Every word you drop feels like a curse.
At mo ato bitaw mo sa Hanoi, Vietnam guys. I recommend jud na ko ni nga hotel. Very worth it kayo among experience dire kay tanan nga needs nimo naa na. Ang mga basics amenities like steamer isa sinina naa na. So no need na ka magdala. Plus, doon ra kaayo siya sa mga famous nga places. Mabaklay ra jud nimo. Mao na nga highly recommended jud ni nako. Sure ko nga di mo magmahay. Ayun lang. So, ayan guys. This is my feed. Dalawa muna kami ngayon. Bukas darating na din yung kapatid ko. See you tomorrow. Enjoy mga pan. Bye. Kain muna kami sa labas guys. Kasi gutom na kami. Wala pa kami kain. Lunch na tapos dito. PM na. Bye. So guys, ang likot na ko na guys kay Nick Ilog. Then, ang adbang kay Ligo. Then, nalan na rin place.
Take me to the lakes where all the poets went to die. I don't belong, my beloved, neither do you. Those Windermere peaks look like a perfect place to.
Hello guys. So, mukhaon na may cake tart guys. Kaya gigotom dyan. Lami job.
Yep. Okay na.
Lubaan ka no? Lubaan ka no? Lubaan ba hindi na pagkakaon ng Christmas? Guys, papunta kami sa Minho. Pagkaon na siya. So, sa Minhoy ni nangaon guys. So, ang trip na mo first day kay kaon-kaon lang.
Hello guys, so we're currently here at Min Oi. Yeah, Min Oi, something like that. We are going to eat the ramen, like bestseller ramen. So they have pork, beef, and chicken. So basically, I cannot eat because they serve pork. So I only had drinks, and then Bam had the beef ramen, I believe. So yeah, we will show you the food later. We will hear from Bam. It will taste good. By the way, guys, we saw this store in the TikTok. We should try it out.
Oh, yun na guys. Ay, ramen. So, akong ma-comment guys kay very yum and recommended jud kayo siya. So, kung plan ninyo mo ni diri Vietnam, ayaw jud ninyo kalimpin ni Min Hoi since 2006. Lumiko, nahurot ng sulat. Uli sa mi sa muang hotel mag-rest ka jud then wala na pagbalik. Bye. Hi guys, so na ako sa hotel na mo then after atong sa guys sa main hall yung sa ramen then ayun after naman kaundat to pa nagbalik ni diri sa hotel around 4 or 5 p.m. Then I guess 4 kasi plan mangut na mo mag-rest muna and after that matalang mga 6 p.m. so para makabalik ni og gala then ending ayun gabi na kami nakagising mga around 10 p.m. I guess so ngayon is wait lang hindi ko ma-clear let's see 1:02 well is 1:02 a.m. here in Vietnam but if we so kung sa Pinas I think is already 2:02 a.m. so ayun lang, see you tomorrow, bye, good night. Hi lang, finally andito ka na sa Vietnam. So I guys, it's our second day. Then we're waiting koan. Lang batabang sa kulang niya kuan ko. Sabak pala si Korean girl.
Hi guys, it's me again, traveling around the world. Ay, Emelan. We are now in Vietnam. Xin chào Vietnam. It's our third country for this year and in the whole life.
Third country ka siya. Yapil ni mga Pilipinas.
Macau, Hong Kong. Anyways, it's so pretty here in Vietnam, guys, because it's so unique.
Ay, hala, nakalimutan.
Wow, Miniso. So unique, guys. And parang each corner has a Vietnam flag. And parang ang motor dito is very used as transport. Compared sa Hong Kong na LRT talaga. Wow! So pretty. So we're going to, where are we going?
Sa kalimto to.
Bangkok. It's like a coffee and breakfast. And it's so unique. Wow. Ayan, Teo, pangsapa mo. There's so many unique things here. Look. Teo, pang Cebu.
Balik ka.
It's so pretty, guys. I'm so happy and blessed and live. to more where?
Unsa man ka, ti? Pangita na group mo uyab ninyo diri?
Panguyab sa ti. Galisod mi guys. Pangita sa bangkong. Gataksi mi para door to door kay gutom kayo tapos
Inaubig layo pa man di ay.
unsa ni?
Gabi kay Stommer, ha?
Paniwa nga abi na og patambok ni diri. Anyways, I'm still in awe for Vietnam. To more travel pa. I will not take anything for granted. Wow, lantern, no? Tignan mo. Wow! Ayan, bangkong!
So na.
Look, guys. This is Bangkong.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go.
So, we're done with Bangkong. Without the salakot something. But we're going to train station and I hope we'll be able to. Dapat nga, mupalit. Dapat tagbalit tagiday tagpat kay pwede na to magamit sa train station. Dato na lang sa train station. Okay, so we're done with Bangkok. We're going to train station. And yeah. Let's see what's next. Later. Bye. This is my outfit. Bye-bye. This is the street in Hanoi, Vietnam. Guys, so the train is coming and we're getting ready for the train for the amazing experience.
Hi guys! So, papunta na kami sa night market. My sister si Gig Obo-Obo.
Yes, I'm
Ulay ka umano ng ubo niya guys.
still not okay.
Ay, Jafra!
So guys, we will try it all together. 1, 2, 3, go. Go, nga. Wala ko nga.
Ang liit ng natakan pero ang ano.
Uy, junk food.
Hi. Bigay ka.
1, 2, 3, go.
Uy, go.
parang nagsasmoke lang.
Wala akong vape guys.
Junk food lang. Junk food lang pala siya, guys.
Mali mo.
Gusto niya ka manigarilyo, ha?
Guys, this is a healthy way to
Mas kutog lagi niya. So, ayun guys, satisfied kami sa amin nabibili. Ano pa man.
it's fun. Ano, it's not that yummy kasi parang ice lang siya, but the experience is a must.
Yeah. So, papunta kami sa, guys, sa coffee. Sa gani nga lang tong coffee lang.
Anong coffee?
Gum coffee ba yun? Yung white.
Ah, yun. Nakalimutan ko
Doon
na.
kami magdi-dinner, guys. Then, ito, ang ganda, diba? So, papasokin natin. So, guys, pasaka na tayo. So, first kay order ka muna din bago ka umakyat. So, let's go. This is the second floor. Then, let's go for third floor. Oh my God. Here, the third floor. Yeah, asa man sa mga pen? So, this is the fourth floor, guys. Fourth floor. Ayan. So, saan sila? Not here. So, this is the fifth floor. Pinakataas rin din sila. Pasapok sila, ha? Let's see. Okay, here. This is our food for dinner. Pili na ako, guys. Dili ni siya dinner. Mukha pa siguro.
It's more
dinner.
like breakfast.
Here. Wala, dili lagi masuyog. Ay, po, dili ni siya. Sipon ng tabi ko. Amin ang nisroder. Kutsara man
Hi
din.
guys, I feel so lonely here, so
Ay, sobrang salon niya.
let's try this caramel macchiato. Where is this from?
Yao Cafe.
Giao Cafe.
Malapit na.
Hello.
It's
So,
still good.
hello guys. Hello guys, so we are seated and we got
This is mine.
Chocolate.
the coffee is so strong.
Mama.
Oh, the coffee is very strong, but it tastes good. Like
Tay.
it's enough, I think.
Lamay mo, ah?
It's so strong.
Lamay?
Yeah, but it's lame. It's yummy. It's delicious. So guys, also
A, my choice, croissant.
Lamay ang pan.
It's a croissant. That's yummy. Strong but yummy. Can I try yours? Ano yan?
Ayun na. Kay Choco.
Tao quen đi chân mệt ấy, bởi vì tao đã bảo tao bị cái số tháo tao không được đi rồi may rồi nó
Ano yan sa'yo?
về chân đau em cứ phải này
Ano yan sa'yo, sis?
đã bảo rồi thế là chiều cao em phải mét 65
Can I try?
đi giày bệt được cổ
Not
nữa.
ba.
Không đi luôn ấy
I love this one compared to
như nó bảo là chưa để
croissant. But if you don't like sweet, you can eat
để
croissant.
mày bác 2 vali nhận đấy hai tay 20
But this is the best for me.
thế lại sẽ bảy nữa
Meron pa.
mày đang chơi đấy tiền tao mày đã phải ấy suốt đấy rồi lại cứ lại là lần ấy tôi mua vàng này
I mean,
mua hai thì mua một rồi
Yeah, so that's why I grab it to you girls, not to your far. I grab it to the
where's mine? Guys, she only brought for the girls.
That, like, the couple with one girl.
Just strolling, guys. It's already 10:26.
What
here.
Celsius?
Huh? I don't know. Let me check.
Okay.
The weather,
Is 67 degree.
Yeah. But I don't know how to convert this.
And Celsius, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's 89% humidity.
Pero malamig na talaga siya,
But
guys.
it's cold. Like
Baguio?
aircon.
I think
Oh, yes,
like Baguio.
So you can wear something like
This,
Yes.
that.
Make sure you don't clothe yourself too much,
Yeah.
especially in the afternoon or noon, because it's
Not,
Kind of.
not,
kind of sunny.
Yeah.
But in the evening you can wear like winter clothes. But you can still wear that this month because
This is our outfit
from
for
time to
summer.
time it gets cold here.
Hi guys, so it's already 5 kasi kakain kami sa Pimus na noodle kasi alas 6 a.m. ilang daganta din. We're excited to eat. So, see you there guys. Bye. Our friend local from Vietnam.
Thank you for touring us.
So guys,
So guys, pwede ako matag-guide there sa Vietnam.
yan dito din.
Si Chow. Nakalimot na ko. But is it the Shinloy? Magamit ako ng Thailand nga magamit ako akong Thailand nga accent.
Discount.
Shinloy. Kapong kap. Charap man Thai. Guys, mas easier ang for me mas easier ang Thailand. Asian magug ko. So basically, my face looks like an Asian. I look like a Vietnamese. I look like a Thailander. I also look like a Swiss.
Thank you. One, two, three, go.
Fa, 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 fa. Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was a
Ang hang pala nito, te. Kasi hindi nila nila ako. Pero di kayo kayo ako man ako.
Hi guys, it's our trees and Vietnam. So, there are them guys. Run. I don't know how to repeat that. So guys, kanang kung moari mo diri ayaw mo suot og skirt or pwede ra po pero magdala lang ng extra. Okay, mahal kay lang pang tao is 150,000. Ito lang. There we are here. And our destination. Pasabog siya. Pasabog ang loob natin group. Ayan guys. Hi guys. So, naanami diri sa Wang Po Cow. Ayan. This is the reality talaga guys. So 6 hours among biyahe ani nga time. Then since traffic kaayo, so kung gusto mo dili magabian pauli sa Hanoi, I suggest nga early na lang mo to like mga 8 a.m. since kani sa Incense Village kay dili man ni siya more on tambay-tambay, so for ano lang yun ni siya picture so dali ra jud kay humahuman here.
Hi guys, so magbili na kami ng souvenir.
naman din ni nato. Wala lang nato nakita.
Kanina, biyan na.
Yung
Mag-backlight ka. Ayan. Tara, tulog na ta. Oh, tayo magdungan kayo sila doon. Kapakal ka lang. You look fresh. Tara, tulog na tayo. Hello. Guys, so I have lots
Million
of...
dongs. We will spend million dongs today.
That's Ate ha.
So when you come here, just ask for like discount. Like, what?
Si Ate kay kato.
Oh, this one na lang.
May pa lang. Kanya akong gipili kinakalit niya ko na cellphone. Magpalit ba na? Akin yung akin 10.
This one!
Here.
This one!
I got this. Oh,
Thank you.
sa laki jam. Money
Ang money ni mo na dawat there.
1.6
come on.
1680.
value.
Card!
Oh look, I don't have money anymore.
How much? 2895.
Grabe dai, maghiya pa tag zero. I-card na lang. Para dito mo, pailit.
Thank you so much.
Wala.